In a world where taste meets health, finding the perfect balance can seem like an elusive dream. But fear not, food aficionados and health-conscious folks alike, because the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is here to revolutionize your culinary experience. Ready to elevate your cooking game and embark on a journey of culinary excellence? Click the link below to discover the full specifications of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL and take the first step towards crispy perfection. Don't let ordinary cooking hold you back. Embrace the extraordinary with Ninja. The Crisp Revolution. Max Crisp Technology. Picture this: sizzling hot, crispy delights straight out of your kitchen without the guilt of excess oil. With the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL's Max Crisp technology, achieving that golden crunch is no longer a distant fantasy. By enveloping your favorite foods in 450 degrees Fahrenheit of superheated air, this innovative technology ensures that every bite is as crispy and delicious as you desire. Say goodbye to soggy disappointments and hello to a world of culinary excellence. Guilt-free indulgence, healthier cooking, same great taste. Indulging in fried foods doesn't have to come with a side of guilt anymore. Thanks to the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL, you can enjoy all your favorite crispy delights with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, this kitchen marvel proves that health-conscious choices can be just as satisfying. So go ahead, satisfy those cravings without compromising your health goals. Unmatched capacity. Feed the whole crew. Hosting a party or simply feeding a hungry family? Look no further than the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL's impressive 6.5-quart capacity. With enough space to accommodate up to 5 pounds of French fries or 9 pounds of succulent chicken wings, no appetite stands a chance against this powerhouse. From game day gatherings to family dinners, this air fryer has got you covered. Versatility redefined. 6-in-1 cooking functions, 1 appliance, endless possibilities. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is not your average kitchen gadget. With 6 versatile cooking functions including max crisp, air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, culinary exploration knows no bounds. Whether you're craving crispy snacks, hearty meals, or wholesome snacks, this multitasking marvel delivers every time. Space-saving design. Maximize your kitchen space. Who says bigger has to mean bulkier? With Ninja's latest air fryer design, you can enjoy maximum capacity without sacrificing precious countertop space. Say goodbye to cluttered kitchens and hello to streamlined elegance. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious home, this sleek appliance seamlessly integrates into any kitchen layout. Effortless cleanup, non-stick and dishwasher safe. Let's face it, nobody enjoys scrubbing pots and pans after a delicious meal. Fortunately, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL takes the hassle out of cleanup. With a non-stick basket and crisper plate that are both dishwasher safe, tidying up has never been easier. Spend less time cleaning and more time savoring the flavors of your culinary creations. What's in the box? Everything you need for culinary success. Purchasing the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL isn't just a transaction, it's an investment in your culinary journey. Along with the air fryer itself, you'll receive a 6.5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate, ensuring that you have everything you need to embark on your crispy adventures. But wait, there's more. You'll also receive a chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts, providing endless inspiration for your culinary creations. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.